So what if life is short? Doesn't make sense to live it fast. Remember noticing droplets now or then, almost forgotten to drench in the rain. Roll back and relax. Give yourself a try. There is a pleasure just to watch a bird fly. Beauty of the nature sleeping. Nothing stops for us, nor even nature. Beauty of the nature sleeping, sure and slow. It is now or never. Must slow down its flow. Sit back a while. Just sit back a while. See life with a smile. Idling also can make wonders once in a while. Life is not a race to finishing in rush and feel yourself low. Live life with peace to the fullest. Enjoy its color and glow. Enjoy its color and glow.